Bacon and onion steamed pudding. Ingredients and recipes in the description below. In this recipe for the liquid, I use Verjuice, which is apple juice, and you need a 6-inch pudding basin. Start off mixing the suet pastry, all the dry ingredients in, and then enough liquid just to bring the ingredients together. Got salt and pepper to taste, but not the wine, that's just for me to drink. This is the Verjuice which I'm using. Gives it a nice appley taste to the suet. In with the hands and finalise, just bring the pastry together. If need be, just a splash of liquid just to bring it all together. Now I pre-cooked the bacon and onion along with the sage and onion stuffing and the savoury. And I also rolled the pastry and lined the buttered pudding basin. This is what the filling needs to be like, not too wet. Fill the basin right to the top. The filling will sink as it cooks. Roll the edge of the pastry over to attach the top to it. Just using water, moisten the dough. It helps the top stick. Take a square of grease-proof paper and fold a crease across the centre line. Cover the pudding and tie off with string. Follow this with a layer of foil. The pudding now goes into a large saucepan of boiling water with a trivet on the bottom and steam for around 2 hours.